Hi everybody, I'm Master Kelly. Welcome to the LEGO Star Wars karate lesson today. In this lesson, we're going to practice some awesome LEGO Star Wars moves. Now, before we get started, make sure you guys like the video, subscribe, because every week I post a new video. So make sure you guys do that. And at the very end of the video, stick to the end because I'll be announcing a very special giveaway winner this week. So make sure you stay with this video to the end. Let's get started. Chariot? Kanye? Awesome. All right, let's go ahead and go to our starport. Awesome. Hey, Dojo. Uh-oh, buddy, what's wrong? Oh no, our ship's been damaged. Well, in order to fix our LEGO X-Wing, what we must do is we must put the parts back to where they belong. Can you guys help me and Dojo fix the ship? I don't believe you. You guys say yes, sir? Awesome, awesome. All right, so here's what's gonna happen, okay? There's gonna be a big pile of Legos right here. What we gotta do is we gotta squat all the way down. Now, when we squat, and especially if we're picking something up, we wanna make sure we don't curve our back. We wanna have a straight back, good posture. We wanna go straight down and then come back up. In some cases, this is called a deadlift, okay? A deadlift is a move, an exercise, where you lift something off the ground, you bend your knees a little bit, and you make sure you don't curve your back, okay? So let's practice that together. We have all these blocks here. We're gonna lift them up, hand them to Dojo. We're gonna do this about 10 times. There's 10 pieces to fix, and then we'll be able to start the lesson, okay? Ready, everyone go down, squat. Awesome, all right, give it to Dojo, good. And down, straight back, down. Come back up, and Dojo, good job, that's 2. Everyone say set. Good job, good job. Everyone say net. Good, tall back. Ready, toss it. Good job, you guys. Ready, yas it. Good, and pick it back up, good. And you go up. Good job, you guys. Almost done. Ready, a hope. Good, nice. One more, and good. Awesome, good. All right, looks like our X-Wing is fixed. Let's go ahead and hop inside. Awesome. Great, cool. Well, looks like we are at the Cantina, the LEGO Cantina. Okay, now here's what we're going to do. We're gonna go through 3 different portals today. We're gonna go through the prequel era, the original trilogy, and the Mandalorian timeline, okay? So let's go to the prequel era first. Here comes the portal. Awesome, ready? Let's go. Wow, I think this is the same place where Qui-Gon and Obi-Wan fought Darth Maul in LEGO Star Wars. Let's see, they should be fighting somewhere. Oh no, I think Darth Maul found us. Okay guys, it's LEGO Darth Maul. We gotta defeat him with our punches and kicks today. You guys help me to defeat LEGO Darth Maul? Awesome, all right, when I say fighting stance, 1 foot back, hands up, fighting stance. Awesome, all right, we're gonna practice this combination. We're gonna go left leg, we're gonna go check, jab, cross, knee, okay? Let's practice that together. Ready? Everyone go check, jab, cross, knee. Awesome, good job you guys. Again, check, jab, cross, knee. Awesome, good job you guys. Again, check, jab, cross, knee. Good, 2 more times. Ready, go check, jab, cross, knee. Good, 1 more time. Ready, go check, jab, cross, knee. Awesome, good work you guys. High five. We defeated LEGO Darth Maul. All right, let's go ahead and head to the original trilogy timeline. All right, let's go. Awesome, all right. Looks like we are in, I believe it is to be the Death Star. And I see Darth Vader fighting Luke. Oh no, I think we're gonna get caught again. It's LEGO Darth Vader. All right guys, now LEGO Darth Vader likes to do chokes. So what we have to practice is we're gonna practice using the Force. We're gonna break away the choke. And as soon as we break away the Force choke, we're gonna answer back with a double jab, cross, spinning back kick. Okay, let's practice that together. Ready? And everyone block the Force choke, block it. Good, awesome. And I'm gonna go double jab. Good, cross, spinning back kick. Awesome, good job you guys. Again, ready, block the choke, block. Good, and double jab, cross, spinning back kick. Awesome, good job you guys. 2 more times, ready? And block. Good, and double jab, cross, spinning back kick. Awesome. 1 more time, ready? And block, and double jab, cross, Spinning back kick. Awesome. Good job, you guys. High five. Very good work. All right, looks like we defeated Lego Darth Vader. Uh-oh. I don't think it's over yet, though. Oh, it's Darth Sidious, Chancellor Palpatine. All right, guys, we got to make our run. We got to escape. He's going to chase us with the lightning. We got to run away back to safety and go to the portal to the Mandalorian timeline. Ready? And go. Run away from the lightning. Run away, run away, run away. Keep going. Don't let it get us. Don't let it get us. All right, hop on my back, Dojo. All right, ready? We're going to jump into the portal in 3, 2, 1, jump. Awesome. Good job, you guys. All right. Looks like we are in the Mandalorian timeline. I wonder what enemy we're going to face today. You guys know? What Lego enemy is in this time period? Oh, it's Lego Cad Bane. All right, you guys. Cad Bane's going to be shooting at us. What we're going to practice is we're going to practice slipping, throwing an uppercut, right cross, left hook. Okay, let's practice that together. Ready? Everyone go slip, uppercut, cross, hook. Awesome, awesome. Again, ready? Go slip, uppercut, cross, hook. Awesome, good, good. Again, ready? Go slip, uppercut, cross, hook. Awesome, awesome, good. One more time. Ready? Go slip, uppercut, cross, hook. Awesome, good job, you guys. We defeated Lego Cad Bane. High five. Very good work today, everybody. Chariot? Kenya? Awesome. All right, let's see who the new giveaway winner is today. Awesome. All right, so parents or kids, if this is your username, please message me in the About page section of my channel. You guys have won a free pair of Thai pads. Congratulations. Now, if you guys want to join us today for a Zoom lesson, we're doing a Zoom lesson right when this lesson is over. We're going to head over to Dojo Go TV. If you guys are interested in trying that out and maybe you want to have full-length videos for your kids, maybe you're looking for some way for them to get more exercise or learn martial arts online, be sure to click the link down below. I provided a 14-day free trial so you guys can try it out risk-free, okay? I'm Chariot. Kenya? Awesome. Good job, everybody. See you all later. Hey parents, are you looking for a way to help your child get more active, more confident, more resilient, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, creator of Dojo Go, and today I would like to introduce to you our very own app called Dojo Go TV. Our app will give you access to a library of different courses updated throughout the year for your kids to enjoy full-length lessons away from YouTube. This means no ads, no suggested videos, and your membership continues to support Dojo Go content. Each series inside the app takes your kids on an interactive story to help them not only learn the moves from martial arts, but also have lots of fun along the way. Members on the app will be able to join a weekly Zoom lesson that meets every Saturday at 2:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Our app is also available on Roku devices as well as computers. If you're ready to start, click the link below to join our program now.